Introduction to new omnichannel order processing workflow without scanning the items. Let's understand about the new update. To enable the new update, please connect with the Unicommerce support team and get the configuration named Simplified Omni Order Processing enabled as without skin-based acceptance. You may go to the Orders icon to access omnichannel orders. Here, you may see a few tabs wherein 5 of them are actionables and the other 4 tabs are for viewing purposes. Starting with the first tab, New Orders in the created state will reflect in this tab. Accepted Orders in accepted state will reflect in this tab. In process, orders which are partially packed will reflect here, which may have in following statuses: picking, picked or packed. Ready to ship orders in which the shipping label is generated or shipments which are manifested will reflect in this tab. Put away pending orders which have been cancelled after invoicing or label generation and their put away is pending will reflect in this tab. Rejected orders which have been rejected will reflect in this tab. Cancelled, all the cancelled orders will reflect in this tab. Upcoming orders for which channel processing time is greater than the order created time will reflect here. Completed orders in dispatched state will reflect in this tab. Let's understand the order processing workflow. Go to the New tab and select the orders you wish to process. Here, you may print the pick list if required or directly accept the orders. Once you accept the orders, they will be moved to the Accepted tab. Select your orders from the Accepted tab and click on Process. The invoice will be generated. Since single-click invoice label configuration is disabled, we are getting the option to create label. Click here and the shipping label will be generated. Click on Complete. The orders have now moved to the Ready to Ship tab. Here you will be able to see the shipments which have the courier assigned. Choose your courier and click on View. Select your orders and click on Add to Manifest. Now, click on Print to print out the manifest. If the courier denies the pickup of the shipment, you may click on Remove AWB from Manifest and mention the AWB number that needs to be removed. And if the shipment is picked up, you may mark the shipment as dispatched. You may also reprint the manifest if required by clicking here. Thank you for watching.